Hello and welcome to middle school. My name is Mr. Green. I will be your social studies teacher this year on the architects team. Just wanted to take a few minutes to welcome you and kind of go over some of the things that you need to know about social studies for this year. So welcome. So I know most of us during quarantine have felt like this. And I know that you all are entering middle school probably feeling like this. And in social studies, a lot of students always feel like it feels like this. But this will be you in my class. You will love it. So, for content this year, in sixth grade, we cover the first half of world history, ancient civilizations. So, we will be covering ancient civilizations from Egypt to African kingdoms to China and Japan. That's kind of where we will do our focus. We use an acronym called GRAPES that summarizes everything that we teach. And that's geography, religion, achievements, politics, economy, and social structure of all of these ancient civilizations. Now, to kind of finish up, this is my Canvas page for you to see. This is the student view, so this is what you will see when you log in. So the main home page is just the information about what we're covering in social studies this year. This next box is very important. Let's get connected. So I have the links that the students can click on for their class period to go to the live class that we will stream online. First period from 8 to 8:30, second period 9 to 9:30, and so on. So they click this link. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to email me. My email address is on there. The school's phone number is on there to leave me a message. You can inbox me over here on the left side of the screen, inbox. I'm going to try to get this envelope to work, but you can inbox me directly on Canvas. And I would like you to join my Remind app to give you reminders. So this, you click here for the Remind for just my social studies class. Down below that, you can see all the information for the first 9 weeks. So you'll be able to click on here. It will take you to what we will be covering each of those first weeks of school. So you can click on each week, week 1, week 2, and so forth to see what we are doing for each of those days in class. Um, Other information that's on that main homepage includes the material list, which you're not going to really need a whole lot while we're doing e-learning, but when we get back in the classroom, this is some of your information for materials, and then late work policy, grading scale, and kind of how we grade the different types of assignments that you'll have. So our grading scale is there as well. So feel free to check out my Canvas as soon as you can get onto it. Parents can follow or shadow their students on Canvas as well. So make sure you're doing that as well. I know this was short and sweet, but hopefully this was informative. If you have any questions, feel free to email me once we get the school year started. Look forward to it. See you soon.